Welcome back to the channel. This week I'm taking you along to the Big Grab yard sale. That's a 50-mile long yard sale right next to me here in South Carolina. I'm looking for items that I can flip online for a profit, and honestly I found some really cool stuff. But my last find, well, I guess I'm gonna call it mind-blowing because I still can't believe it. My first stop was bright and early 7 a.m. at this church sale, and myself and this other guy apparently both really wanted golf clubs. He got there first, but luckily he left me some good stuff behind. Bye-bye.
Oh, yeah. I'm going to put those in here somewhere and get them out of my way. We had some yesterday. I see them.
They moved it.
Kinda hard to beat $2 on that bundle of clubs. I've already sold a Ben Hogan Apex Edge Forged 2-iron for $49 plus shipping. Sold a Tommy Armour 2-iron for $38 plus shipping. And there was 2 wedges in there that should sell for around $20, $24 a piece. While that was a good haul in and of itself, the really good stuff was on the inside.
Mom needs that.
Sneak right back here real quick. You're good. You're good. Just wanted to let you know I was back there.
So the last thing that you saw me pick up, or maybe didn't see me pick up, was this Lacrosse Technologies weather station. And these things can be worth some really good money. And apparently I had a rare model that doesn't come up for sale very often. There was one used one listed for $89, none had sold. I listed mine brand new in the box for $100 plus shipping, and it sold in like 2 days. So definitely be on the lookout for these weather stations. But I also have to come clean about the Nikon camera. Unfortunately, it didn't work. Got it home, tested it, and I don't know, it just kind of went crazy. Made a bunch of noise, sounded like it was possessed. Didn't work. I still think I can get $30, $40 for it, only pay $2, so still a decent buy. But that $150 that it would have sold for would definitely be nice. But either way, spent $29 at that sale, and I should profit around $200, so not too bad.
Good morning.
Hello, how are you?
I'm doing well. How about you?
Can't complain.
Cleaning out, huh? Clearing stuff out, huh?
Well, I didn't have a whole lot, but then when I started digging, I found too much.
Hey, if it doesn't bring you joy, get rid of it, right?
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. I said, got more stuff and I know what to do with it.
I hear you.
And them little flip phones.
Flip phones.
That one, the screens is cracked up a little bit, chipped.
Oh.
I don't know if it's on or not.
$3 on it? Yeah. I might grab that. I've got a Pixel.
Well, I'll let you have for $1.
I'll give you 3 for it. I think that's plenty fair. Sure.
Froze my drink now. I'm waiting for it to thaw out to work and opened it up.
Uh-oh. Don't let it explode.
Yeah, it's spewing everywhere. You starting or?
I went to the church right up here, the United Methodist.
Yeah.
And then you were.
Downtown?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And then you were next. All right, so we got 2, 4, $7.
I said, everybody don't. Now it still may have the card in there. I don't know.
I didn't see it on the side there. I looked. There you go.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate that.
Hope you sell out.
Oh, I do too. I'm trying to raise me some money to go to the beach on next.
All right. Which beach?
Myrtle Beach, Ocean Lakes.
Awesome. Oh, that's a cool place. It really is. It really
Taking
is.
my golf cart. I bought that golf cart
Yeah.
in January.
Oh, nice.
Had to spend about $3,000 to get it fixed.
Right. Well, now you're ready to roll.
I'm ready to run now.
Well, I hope you sell out and you can go twice this summer to the beach.
Thanks.
Thank you.
So some of you guys may actually remember that lady from last year. She invited me under her house. I'll put the video link around here somewhere. It was definitely interesting. But I spent $7 for a potential profit of $13.50, which isn't great, but I'm not selling the phone. It's a Pixel 3a, and I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna use it for when my daughter or my wife takes listing photos for me. They can use that instead of giving up my phone, and it'll just transfer to my Google Photos. I can download it, put it in my listing, and bada bing, bada boom. If I did decide to sell it, it'd probably be worth around 40 bucks.
Good morning. I don't even know that these things will sell, but they're too cool to leave behind. Buck a piece. Go pay you for these too.
Oh, you found the banners.
They're cool.
I almost put them up in my house. I'm like, those are cool.
They're very cool. Thank you.
Need a bag?
I can tote them just like this.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
That's an old toy there.
Yeah, man, they're cool.
That's when we was kids.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, I love your shirt too, man. That's sweet.
This is the kind of stuff I'm out there looking
Yeah.
I ain't seen.
It's hard to come by nowadays.
First time I've ever came down here to this sale. I don't know nothing about this area.
Oh,
I
yeah?
don't know where I'm going. I'm just on.
Hey, just follow the trail. It's all hit or miss. I do it every year, and it changes every year.
I started up there in whatever town is up that way, and I didn't really find it.
Winsboro? Yeah. How much you getting on your little camera, sir?
Oh, what we got? A camera and digital?
Yeah, little cameras.
$10.
For both of them? 5 apiece?
Yeah.
Okay.
So typically a Sony 10 megapixel digital camera like this one is a no-brainer, especially for $5. But this one is fake. I didn't even know they made fake cameras. But you can see the Sony logo there. The O's kind of messed up. It's just a sticker. There's no model number on this thing anywhere. There's no barcode on the bottom with the serial number. So yeah, unfortunately, it's fake. Luckily though, the Fujifilm T400 should sell pretty quickly for around $45. It was not fake. It actually worked really well. So I spent $10 to make 25, which isn't that great. And what's also not that great is this dry erase board. My handwriting's hard to read. It's hard to read in and of itself. So we're gonna get rid of it. I'll just put the graphics on the screen there. And I do still think though that a dry erase board might quite possibly be the most remarkable invention of the past 100 years. I also want to say here that I probably went to 20 or 30 sales along this route where I didn't buy anything. There's a lot of vendors set up, so they were kind of overpriced. Lots of times there's several miles between sales, and then some sales you just don't find anything. but I'm showing you the highlights, showing you the sales where I did buy stuff, and this last one is absolutely my favorite.
This is what I got. You tell me what
You tell me. You got it.
Okay, let's try that again. Let's see, all of it, $20.
There are some more office supplies if you're looking for in that trailer back there at the very back.
Okay. My wife can use those, but my son's an engineer, he can use that, he can use those rulers, so I've got a little bit of everything for everybody. Nothing from me.
But the day is young. Thank you so much.
How you doing today, bud?
I'm right about you.
All right.
How much would you do on the whole box of old expired film? Some that's open, some that's not.
You tell me.
$10?
That's it.
That'll work?
That'll work. That'll work for me.
So this was a box of old expired camera film. And I was absolutely shocked to find that these things still had value because most of them expired in like 1998, 2000, 2001, a long time ago. So imagine my surprise when I got them home, listed them as is because I have no idea the condition, and a lot of them sold instantly. I'll put the sold ones up here. You can see they brought in some really good money. Also got 2 more listings left to sell, so when everything sells, that's a pretty good profit on a very unsuspecting item. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.